Good morning, and welcome to drama. I'm Caitlin Wittig. I'm your child's drama teacher. In an 8th grade drama, we do a lot of work on learning how to be a good audience member, really listening to each other, practicing how to be the person that's speaking out loud, how to work in a collaborative group, and how to access the stories that we're interested in sharing. So that's sort of the overview, the point of drama class. Specifically, what the kids are working on right now is a collaboration project where I let the kids choose topics that they were interested in, and then we formed groups based on these topics of interest, and the kids are scripting some type of performance. So for example, I have a group that's really interested in anime, and they are writing basically a talk show script, sort of a talk show / podcast script about why they like anime, what's important about it, explaining it, giving some examples of different anime, and then they're working on the script, and then they'll perform the script for the class. I have another group making a travelogue, a commercial for going to Paris. That group was interested in travel and vacations, and so they're making a video. I have another group who is really interested in advocacy, and they're making a public service announcement commercial about Black Lives Matter. And there's another group talking about video games, and again, they're sort of doing a talk show podcast type performance. But the idea of this project right now is creating a space where kids learn how to work together. They learn how to creatively collaborate with a product in mind at the end. They're practicing speaking out loud. They're practicing creating an ensemble, and they're doing it on a topic that is of interest to them. So moving forward in the rest of the year, in 8th grade drama, I have the kids do a poetry slam, which is where the kids will write a narrative piece of poetry that they perform. We won't do that until later in the semester, but that is a big project in 8th grade that the kids always work up to, and it's a great way to hear the stories that the students themselves are interested in sharing. We'll do a very brief project on Shakespeare. I do one every year in the virtual space. That's been a little bit trickier. We'll probably do some monologues from Shakespeare or some scenes, but they'll be short. And then we will do a video project where the kids try to make a movie together, again in small groups. And what has been great in the virtual space is doing some design projects. So we'll do a big costume design project and a set design project where we talk about, what it means to be a designer, and how being a designer, just as being an actor or a director, is all about telling a story. So you're using the art and the design to tell the story. So those are some of the things that we'll be working on in this semester. And please reach out to me if you have any questions. This class is a great class. It's a big class, as many of our 8th grade classes are pretty big. And so if you need me to attend to something, or if you're worried about something with your student, especially because this is the end of the day, and this year's been a little bit wacky, please reach out to me. So I'm super thrilled to have your child in my class, and in the email that I sent out, I'm also including a link to the Gunston After School play in case you want to watch it. And that's it. I hope you all are having a great day. Bye.